Hey guys, it is me, Stace. I am back again today with another No Gadget Needed card, and today we are making this really fun easel card. It sits up like that on your desk. There's a side view of it. Really fun and very easy to make. Alright, so the first thing you need is some cardstock for the base of the card. This piece measures 8.5 by 5.5. We're going to bring in our trimmer and do some scoring on that. Alright, so again, 8.5 by 5.5. We have it in at the 8.5 inch side. We're going to score this right in half at 4 1/4. And then you want to go down and score it again at 6 3/8. Or you can just fold that other piece in half. Alright, we can set that aside. We're done with that. Take that, fold that one. Then you want to fold this piece up, and that creates the easel. So it looks like that. Okay, so we have that piece. Same color cardstock. This piece measures 4 1/4 by 5.5, and you can see it's going to fit right on top of that. Same color. This piece measures 3 by 4, and then again the same color. This piece measures 2 by 5.5. Okay, then we have our white pieces. We need 2 of them that measure 4 by 5 1/4. One piece. This one is 1 3/4 by 5 1/4. This one is 2 3/4 by 3 3/4. Okay. So to create the easel card, what we're going to do, you have this folded in half. We're going to take our glue. I'm using Art Glitter Glue. And you want to put glue just on this bottom half. And you want to go as close to the edge as you can. Just like that. Now take the other piece. Again, this piece is 4 1/4 by 5.5, and you're going to line it up on the bottom there and on the sides. Make sure it's all lined up. And just give it a little bit of rub. Okay, so you can see that creates the easel part of the card. Okay. All right, now we have the front. Now if you want to, you could use a pattern paper. I'm using one of Maymay's stamps called Brew-tiful, and I'm using this teapot here and that little tea bag. And I went ahead and stamped that already to create my own background paper. And this color here is paper tray ink in the honey nut color cardstock. Okay, so we have our background paper there. Let's take it right on top of that, like that. Okay, then this piece we're going to stamp the little teapot. Just ink that up really well. Alright, and then bring that over here, and then we're going to just stamp that down. Okay, that piece is done. Not the best stamp job. Let me flip it over and see if I can do a better one. I often say good thing paper has 2 sides. Alright, so ink that up again. We'll try the second one. Much better. Okay, we're going to use that side. Alright, so we have that. That's going to go on top of this piece here for the front of the card. This piece, we're going to open the card up. This is going to go on the inside. Just so you have a spot to write your greeting. Okay, this is going to go right inside there. Now we'll have all the measurements in the bottom of the description box below. Alright, so our card's coming along nicely. We have our paper and our piece here. We're going to take this piece. This is what's going to hold the easel up. And I'm using the greeting that says, "Have a Brew-tiful birthday." And I just took little phrases and kind of combined them. Ink that up. I'm going to stamp that on here. And I have these going all different directions, so I don't need to worry about them being straight. Oop. Let's flip it back over and try that again. I'm not a fan of the paper tray ink. Okay, just press it down really good. Alright, I'll deal with it. Alright, then the same tea bag I used before, just to kind of fill in the gap here because it is a large area to fill in. We'll do another one up there. Okay, so that's how that looks. That's going to get glued to this piece. This is probably one of my favorite fun fold card because it's so easy to make. And I love that it leaves a big impression as well. All right, so get that one lined up on that piece. Okay, we're going to flip this guy over. We're going to use some foam squares. I only have these little ones. When I have the big ones, I just don't feel like opening up the package, so we're going to go ahead and use these guys. You definitely want to use foam squares on this piece. This way it holds that piece up. Okay, all right, to give all them a little squish, take the backings off. Okay, and then we're going to take this on the inside, lining it up right at the bottom. Even with everything else on all the sides. Okay, so that creates that little lip. So when you have this down, it gets caught on there. Okay, and now let's take this one. Let me see which I like better. Okay, we're going to go to the other side. It's a pretty simple card, right? And you can use, of course, any paper you like. I just like stamps. That's where I can kind of make my own paper. I'm going to flip this guy over and put foam squares on the back of this one as well. Oh, what I did differently, I wanted to put the foam squares on the white, not the brown. That's okay. On this one, I glued the brown down. I put the white on top of the foam. This one I glued the white down. It's okay as long as it pops up. I believe I got them all. Now you can put it on there straight if you want to. I think it'll look fine straight. I just like the idea of going a little bit crooked. Just like that. And there's your card. So you just lift it up, and it sits just like that. And again, you have all that room here to write your gradient. What I like is that your gradient is kind of hidden inside the card. So when it's up like this, nobody can really see it. And this also fits in a normal size envelope. So there you have it, my friends, our no gadget needed card video for this week. Any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.